Hello, my name is Jaan Bossier. If you have an exploring mind, you're curious and want to discover the technical borders of the clarinet, then my contemporary lab is your place to be. Here you find and learn new music techniques used over the last approximately 70 years. We work on slap tone, circular breathing, different ways of playing multiphonics, quarter tones, double tone, glissando, flatterzunge, and so on. As you can see, I'm surrounded by all members of the clarinet family, from E-flat clarinet, B-flat, A, basset horn, bass clarinet, to the double bass clarinet. I'm very happy to help you with every single instrument, as in new music you will for sure need all of them. In this contemporary lab, we go through all technical possibilities of the clarinet and have a look at the enormous repertoire. I will show you what great things you can discover here.